fast as this before. I tested this on 20 seconds per slide, we're doing it 15. What is open data? Open data is a situation, I'm talking by the way again. Open data is a situation when the government takes its troves of data and it makes it available to the general public. Think oil. When it was first found 150 years ago, people didn't know what to do with it. They explored it, they turned it into fuel, but importantly, they processed this oil, they found it, they processed it, and then they allowed for people to consume it. So you have your shells, and you have your businesses that developed on this. So I'm going to tell a story today, a story about what could happen if data could be made open. Well, this is a story that starts with our main character, Amin. He wakes up, talks to his neighbor. Neighbor says, "Cars gone missing, lah, man. Somebody stole it in the night." I'm like, okay, you should report it to the police. And that's pretty horrible, but it happens. My car has gotten stolen before. It was not blue, it was a yellow Kalisa. So as he goes to work, Amin thinks to himself, I'm not parking too far away from my house. What if somebody steals my car? Maybe I should open my phone and check. Have there been any thefts in this particular area recently? Now, he pulls up safetopark.com, powered by government data, crime data, but specifically displaying crime data with regards to parking, or rather with regards to car theft. No car thefts in a particular area, but if there were, he would know what to do. He would take his steering wheel away, like Mr. Bean does. So he goes for his meeting in Dome Cafe. You know, everybody has meetings there, obviously. And in his meeting, he talks to his friends. He said, my neighbor, his car got stolen. His friend said, yeah, I've been hearing of all this crime happening here, crime increase, government want to do something about it. But the insurance companies tell me this. They've taken crime data and they have identified what kinds of crimes are happening in a particular area. Now, by knowing what kind of crimes are happening in a particular area, let's say you're in Puchong, they know what kind of crimes, they suggest to you, you put in an alarm system and we give you a rebate. So, by making crime data available, you create an opportunity for businesses to create wealth on this data. Take the data, create an application, run an algorithm, value. Now, as they are meeting, they hear in the PA system, a child has gone missing, but not anywhere in this particular shopping center. They got missing somewhere else. But this information is digitized and it's open, yes? So all he has to do is turn on his Bluetooth, download the details, can see picture, and can do what I would do. I can tweet it with a clear call to action. If you see this girl, this is her picture. Click this link, and you can do something more valuable than tell your friend, I think I saw that girl. Well, you can, obviously, you check it out on various different platforms, your Twitter, your Facebook, because people spread it virally. So, Amin sends this tweet out, and a couple of retweets later, somewhere in a faraway petrol station, somewhere in Gombak, that was the story, I suppose, a person that Amin didn't know, a person by the name of Kamal, who saw his tweets, he said, I think I saw this child. I think I saw this particular car. Put two and two together. What do I do? Who do I call? Is it 999? Is it 944? Is it 911? Well, I just click the link lah. And it leads him to a very simple piece of thing that he can participate in to improve, police work. Policewitness.com. At policewitness.com, he can identify his particular story. He said, I saw this kid and this is my particular story. But a lot of people will report. It might not be accurate, but it's fine. You can see the statistical probability there. So anyway, progresses further. Amin, like me, we like to exercise. Come on, hello. Push more, hello. And he's out running. As he's jogging, he notices the street lights. Hey, they're really well lit. I wonder what happened. But what he doesn't know is in the back end, our friends in DBKL have taken crime data, have taken broken street light data and said, this is where the street lights are broken. This is where crime is happening. Maybe I should fix the street lights in this particular area first. So they do that. They fix the pavement, they fix the street lights, and they do this because they can talk among ministries. So you improve government communication, you improve efficiency in the government by simply being open. I was talking to the Islamic State government. They don't even know what kind of crimes are happening in Islam because he's no one shared. Anyway, every story is happy ending. Amin comes back, Amin talks to his neighbor, neighbors found the car because he was not looking for it, people were looking for the kid. Now, it's not uncommon to commit one crime to commit many other crimes. We can't see this in our daily lives. But this is the story, the idea that I present to you. What if crime data could be made available? All of these valuable things could be created. All these things that create value can be created. But what if we had an open data ecosystem where lots of other kinds of data are shared? What then? What kind of value can you create then? Well, the sky's the limit, so obviously have to try and imagine what the sky looks like. And to me, that's what the sky looks like. There's so much kind of data. And if you've seen our budget report for RMK 10, we have one graph here and one graph here, and that's how we're spending our money. Well, so if this is what we aspire to, and if it makes sense to you, go to bit.ly/myopendata, because we are looking for programmers and advocates and people that can try and realize this particular vision of a society that has an open data practice. And that's my presentation. Thank you very much.